Good man. Good man.
I hate every single one of you. What did I tell you? But nobody listened.
Did you hide body?
Yeah, Evan stood on top of a body. I saw him like getting into position. I'm like, you know what? I'm just leave this be.
What did
Evan
I tell
got
you
it.
guys?
No one
What
avenged
did
my
I
death.
say? Why did
Ricky,
nobody
best come in
listen to me?
Yeah, Mikey was right.
Go flunk yourself.
No, yeah. I was trying to fake you guys out anyways. Wait, why are you all muting?
Alright. Just gonna do these shields. Gonna put some there. Who could it be? Whose toes are those? I'm sorry, Mike. It has to be this way. Don't turn around.
Bouchard, stop hiding the bodies.
Wait, where did Ricky go?
I got kicked
I
out.
don't know.
Oh,
Oh,
what?
okay.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, Ricky somehow didn't end up in this
Anyways,
game.
where's the body?
Guys, I think it's safe to say it's not Ricky.
No, it definitely.
Actually, what I think happened was you guys started the game without me actually rejoining the game yet.
Well,
Oh,
then we
shit.
joined faster. Sucks to suck.
Yeah.
Okay, where's the body?
Okay. It was in asteroids.
Okay.
And Evan was standing on top of body, just so
All I
you
know
know.
is I saw Jen in lower left.
I saw J-Rod pass me and looked, and I also know Gage was an admin. Gage, where'd you go after admin?
I went up to Meteor to go freaking...
And
Or no, I went to navigation, and then I went up to through Meteors because I was going out towards Cap. And Bouchard was standing on body, but like again, like I said, I can't tell you if it was him or not because he always does that. I say we just vote Evan off because it's the safest bet, and if it's
Yeah,
not
I
Evan,
don't
y'all
know.
can.
I don't know.
I don't really care at this point.
I don't know.
I mean,
think
Evan's still
there's-
muting, so.
I kind of think it's Gage. Oh, yeah, wait, Evan hasn't talked.
Yeah, I think he's still muted.
I don't
Evan, what do you have to say for yourself?
Evan, where are you?
Wait, Evan, what do you have to say for yourself? Jen, let the man speak.
I think he's not. Okay.
I'm not into the game,
let
but I
the
think that's
man
a solid
speak.
argument.
He has
Yeah,
a point.
that's a solid. Yeah,
Yeah,
he won
Evan
me
has a
over,
solid
guys.
argument.
He even got a little political.
Yeah.
Oh, I guess it didn't work though.
Nah. There's always gonna be people against you.
Let's see.
There's no way he got it twice in a row.
Yeah, and he did.
Why? Why?
Okay, Ricky,
Why?
Ricky, I'm gonna invite you
Why?
now.
I'm so upset. I'm so...
I can just put in the
Distraught.
That
code.
was really bad timing.
It was very bad timing.
Well, no, I had to go take the microwave off the wall.
Oh,
What?
Like, as soon
What?
as the body
Wait,
falls,
wait. Why were you taking the microwave off the wall?
because it's broken.
Evan,
But-
can I have the microwave?
Why did you have to do it in this very moment?
I just got rid
got
of my
summoned.
microwave.
Mind you, it is 8 o'clock at
Someone-
night. Wait, it is 8:10 at night, and you're
Wait, now Evan just
Rip
left the
Evan.
game.
I got disconnected.
I think it's Ricky because he only got to medbay during that whole game, and he's.
I was looking at my
Yeah,
phone. I have a
go
girlfriend.
to
I have to
bed.
Snapchat back.
Go.
Uh,
Jen, please. I'm begging you.
You chose to answer your girlfriend at that moment instead of before the game started.
She didn't respond until the game was starting.
Okay, but you're not a slave to her, or are you?
2 hours later.
Ricky, I know it when it's you.
Oh wait, Evan
What?
is here.
No.
My sweet prince.
I'm back.
No, Mike just always assumes it's me.
I'm sorry that
I
Evan
don't
had to
know.
leave.
Because I know when you're
But, you know.
bullshitting. No,
But I was Snapchatting my fucking girlfriend. I was about to say sister.
Sister?
Really?
His sister.
Your sister!
Ooh.
Your sister's your girlfriend?
Fuck it.
Let's go. lights. Well, do we snipe lights? We're close enough. We're going. Okay. I should have seen this. Come on, oh,
Evan, I see what you did.
what did I do?
Hello, everybody.
I saw what you did.
Everyone,
Would you like to
Everyone-
admit what you did?
can I still where body is, Prince?
If I knew what I
Yes.
did, I would love to.
The
You
body
filled up
was
the
an
gap,
admin.
I did
The body
vote
was
yes.
admin. I was in
Yeah.
electrical. Ricky and Evan both walk into electrical. I leave and find body and admin.
Okay. Yeah, Burchard, did you ever see Gage come our way when we were at gas camp?
Come towards us?
Yeah.
I don't think so. I thought he went left.
No, he went up to electrical when we left him. When we went to gas can, and I followed you past electrical, right? And I went up to electrical, and he wasn't in there. And if he went from electrical to admin, he would have went right past us, don't you think?
Yeah, but you can't vent from electrical to admin.
No, but you
Okay,
can
so-
vent,
so-
He can vent somewhere else. But if he's
That's
saying
true.
he went from electrical to admin,
But how would I have reported body that fast? Because I was literally just in electrical and just went to admin.
No, I get what you're saying, but I think you're reaching.
all I'm
Maybe
saying
this
is
is-
he's trying to blame us, but me and Evan were together.
I was just
I
saying.
just kinda found it-
I was just saying that my thought is that you two are a possibility. Like you two aren't safe in my opinion. Yeah,
I
but-
think you both
Unless you were-
I
self-sabotage.
agree with your opinion, Gage.
You know what?
I believe.
Okay. Well,
All I'm saying is
only
I
person
never
I
saw
feel-
him go that way.
Alright. The only person I think it could be right now is Ricky, but I am not
Yeah,
voting. I'm
Ricky.
skipping.
Damn. Okay.
As it should be. I
It
do.
was me.
Wait, what? I'm not the imposter? What?
Alright. Go to Nav. I don't know who it is. I wasn't really listening during that meeting. Could be Boomer. It could be Kiwi. Maybe it's Kiwi. Because he did say he went to electrical and that, I don't know. I'm just gonna do my tasks until I die. Oh, he turned. What the? Why is he following me? Come on, G-Spice, Mike. Get this. I think you have to do this. He's still following me. Alright, he left. He's gonna see them filling us back up. Where? Is he just running circles? Alright, they're still alive. He's probably checking up on what I'm doing. Oh.
So,
Me,
Jen. can you
Somebody killed in the
explain-
hole.
I did not think
Okay,
this-
wait, I have two things to say. One,
okay. Jen, why'd you kill Evan? And
I
something
didn't
more.
kill him. I was gonna say one, there was a stat kill, and then two, am I lagging really bad for you guys? Because I'm walking into walls and like lagging around.
Is that why you were
That's
hiding behind the wall in
that's
admin?
the
Is that-
imposter.
No, I was walking to
Yeah.
a reactor and I
I
was
still
like,
think
is
it's
that-
Gage personally,
hold
but
on, hold on. Everybody,
I still
everybody,
think
I have a
it's
statement to
Gage.
make.
Ricky. Boom.
Admin swipe is a common task, correct?
Yes.
Jen, why were you doing admin swipe?
What, do you not have admin swipe?
Huh? A common task means everyone has it.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Mike, do you not have admin swipe?
No.
I have it. I don't know what to tell you. Just because it's not common doesn't mean that more than one person can
Jen,
have
you're
it.
acting mighty sus.
Two of you guys said you have admin swipe, and Mikey said he didn't, and I'm pretty sure we don't, so I don't know who it is.
But more than one
Gage-
person can
Gage-
have it, even if it's not a common task.
No, we all have to have it if it's a common
You
task.
all have to.
I don't think
Mike.
so.
We
Wait,
have
I know
we
Mike.
have admin swipe.
No, we don't. No, we don't.
It's Ricky. I'm voting
Jen.
Ricky.
Oh.
No, it's totally
It's
Jen.
Jen.
It's 100% Jen.
It's not me.
Oh, it is Jen.
Hiding
It
behind
is
It's 100% Jen.
It's
I
Jen.
actually. Oh,
What the fuck?
It's not me.
wait. How
I
did
am
three people?
the best-
How did 3 people vote Ricky?
I wanted to get voted out, so I voted for myself. I know Jen was gonna vote for me, and I know Gage, you voted for me.
Oh.
See if anyone goes over the ghost room.
My savior. You are
Yeah,
my
that didn't work.
savior.
We're voting Jen, right? We're voting Jen.
That did not
It's either-
work.
What did not work, Jen?
I didn't get to kill Mikey in time, so you could hit the button.
What? Well, you were trying to kill me, Jen, not Mikey. So.
Well, no, I wasn't gonna kill you. I was just gonna go get Mikey.
I knew it.
Oh
I knew
yeah,
it.
of course. That's what
Spidey
they all
senses
say.
were tingling, bro.
Okay, but,
senses were tingling.
But Gage, how did you sneak past me and Evan?
He literally
What?
just
I went
walked.
up. I
Okay,
went up.
but
Why
you
would
guys
you
all
go up?
forgot. You guys all forgot that I stopped by in electrical when all three of you were there, and then I left and went and killed J-Rod in admin, and no one realized that I literally through that exact area and didn't even try and hide it. You
No,
just pinned
to
it
be
on each
No,
other.
yeah, no, Jen,
100% honest,
I
I was
literally
just
saw
following
you
up
do
the
it,
entire game.
and I saw you do it, but I wasn't sure if it was
Mikey,
Mikey
Ricky.
or Ricky because both
Wait,
of
I'm not
them were
Mikey.
black.
Yo,
I
Evan
know.
hated me.